I want to work with one an actress from an actor. I don't want to give a specific name, but someone who's not popular, who does TV and things. Iniwan ako ng slot na yun. Iniwan ako ng slot. At least top of mind lang ko eh. Just telling you, top of mind lang. But I've been toying with parang, sorry, ini-imagine ko yung idea to work with, are you ready? With Catherine Bernardo.
Catherine Bernardo, okay.
Parang, not that typical love team or partner kami. Something. But something. Something. I don't know. Like I'll be your bodyguard or something like that. Like I have to take care of the two. Something like that. Or I don't know. But I just feel like nandun yung potential niya. Ang laki ng potential niya. Hindi kahit ni Catherine. Parang to explore different characters. It doesn't have to be like a love angle or whatever. Alam mo? Wala lang. Ito lang yung nakikita ko na parang lagi ko na yung iman. Yeah. So again, I want to work with a lot of actors. Marami.
Role. At least yung role, tatlong role sa gusto mo pang gawin. Gusto mo ba
Hero? Yeah. Isang bayani na local hero. Isang fictional hero. And a cop.
Cop? Kung superhero, ano mga...
An original hero. An original, like, fictional na hero. And then meron akong isang role na hindi siya sikat na bayani. Alam mo yun? Sikat na bayani. Ha? Wala. Sino ba? Kasi nakita ko siya sa Malacanang. Nakita ko siya nandun sa mga pictures na niya. Hindi siya sa sikat. Hindi siya yung tipong parte ng ano pa.